Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Remove the media and ribbon. To remove the front panel, press on the detent button while sliding the panel off the hooks and out of the base. Hold the cutter assembly and then route the cutter cable through the access hole. Set the cutter onto the hooks, then lift and slide on. Connect the cutter cable to the 10-pin option connector. Install a cable tie through the printer tie point and around the cutter cable. Install the mounting screw onto the platen assembly. Place the catch tray in the mounting slot of the cutter cover. Reinstall the media and ribbon. Reconnect the power cord and data cables. Turn on the printer. Set the printer to cutter mode. Press home on the display. Press OK. Press the right arrow 6 times to get to print mode. Press the up arrow 5 times to go from tear off to cutter mode. Press home twice. Press feed to print a label.